Oh my gosh, I need you guys to look at this. This is the cutest thing in the world. He's feeding her. It's his wife, and he's getting chicken from this chicken bone. I don't want to roll the window down because it's going to scare them. But he's feeding her chicken. He goes and gets the chicken, even though that's disturbing because birds eating chicken is very disturbing. But look at how he's feeding his girlfriend or his wife or his baby mama. Look at that. Yo, these birds have been teaching humans major lessons in what it is to have a real loving relationship. Look at how doting he is. These birds can really teach us how to be better partners in relationships, better wives, better husbands. Wasn't that the most beautiful thing? The male sparrow, the husband, and I know he is a husband because many members of the animal kingdom take relationships and commitment very seriously, unlike some of you humans, some of you, okay? It was so precious. He would just go a few inches and pick off the chicken and feed her. Okay, now that's a little disturbing. Birds eating other birds. Isn't that like some form of cannibalism? We're gonna leave that alone because I don't know about that, but we're just gonna embrace the beauty of the moment. I mean, these animals are really giving humans a run. They are showing up and showing out. We need to get ourselves together because they have it going on between the birds feeding each other and the ducks having date night. They are doing relationships the right way. We need to get it together. All right. I just wanted to share that. That just warmed my heart. It just made my whole night. Wasn't it beautiful? You know it was beautiful. Okay. Bye.